What's up, risk managers? My name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. And boy, is she one hell of a drug. And welcome to the daily newsletter, where we will be going over economic data for the week, today's technical analysis, create a game plan for tomorrow, and go over the trades that I took today. So let's jump right in now. This is the data for tomorrow, Wednesday, January 31st. Be mindful that all times are in Central Time. We had earnings after the bell. Microsoft, AMD, and Alphabet all had their earnings, and only Microsoft is the only one that beat. Both AMD and Alphabet, their shares fell after hours. And as you can see in the Nasdaq, it fell too. So let's go on the charts. But before we do that, I know everybody's anticipating this right here. FOMC, the Fed, the rate decision. Just be mindful that trading during this time between 1 p.m. and 1:30 Central, this is high volatile price action. Trading during this time is literally gambling with your money. If you trade during this time, you are playing a game of chance with your money. So please be mindful. And if you are going to trade this, just be strategic with your entries and your exits. And with that said, let's head over to the charts. Okay, here's what I'm looking for tomorrow. Now, I told myself if price broke this trading range right here, then I'm going to get in long, because this trading range right here is literally at the bottom of this big move up. And once I saw that the bulls bought it up and pushed it higher, I got in too late. I got an entry around this candle. This pullback candle is where I have an entry. I do plan on actually getting out at the retest of this high. Do want to get a 470 exit. I'm hoping that price doesn't pull all the way back to retest this area before going higher. Now, if that happens, I will have a limit sitting right at this level, and I will hold this position till possibly a 530 as exit at the bottom of that trading range. If the bulls can break past 530, then I'm going to look to see a 590 exit will work for me, because that's the top of this trading range right here where we got this break. But I do feel that if we're going to get 590, we have to get past 570 first, because of the bottom of this range. You can see where it rejected, and this is probably where the bears is going to protect this area. So I will be watching for that. Now, this is the 21 EMA. This is the 50 EMA. And this is the 200 EMA. And this blue line right here is VWAP. As you can see, price after the close, it basically broke. We got a retest of the 21 and the 50, and price broke down. Fortunately for a position that I was holding, I hit daily loss limit in my XFA, because I was in right here. I was riding this up. I was actually looking for price to retest I believe 624. I was looking for this exit. This 624 is the bottom of this previous trading range. We double bottom, and the way that price was looking, I thought that we was going to at least get close, if not to 624. But fortunately for my winning position, because I was in right here, I was up about 40 points, I believe, 40 to 50 points. That was my high with 3 contracts. Not only did price stop me out, it chased this, trying to get my money back. I was a little bit in profit, but man, price just broke down again. And it was this leg right here where I hit daily loss limit. The one thing that I have to work on, the one thing I really have to focus on is taking my profits. I've said this before. I am a very ambitious trader. I will hold a position to target no matter how much money I'm up, because it's not about the money for me, it's about the target. I want my thesis to work out. That's what I want. And it's been plenty of times where I will hit daily loss limit, blow an account for absolutely no reason, due to the fact that I won't take profits, and price basically crashes down on me like it's instant. The reason why I held this position, I wasn't aware that earnings was exactly at 3 o'clock. I thought it was going to be around 4 o'clock, 3:30, but apparently it was at 3 o'clock, and man, did I regret it. Let's actually look at my dashboard and you can get a visual of what happened. All right, so fortunately, this is my XFA. I hit daily loss limit. I got 3 red days, and as you can see, my red days are big. I will chase, and I will hit daily loss limit to try to get my money back. I was up about 3K in the account in the afternoon, and the news at the end of the day, it didn't go in my favor. I'm not proud of this. I was up, I was positive for the day. I really want to work on taking my profits, because I will leave profits on the table because I'm shooting for higher targets, and there are times where price does not agree with me. It will crash down. I will get stopped out. I will chase. I will begin the trade on tilt. And before I know it, after clouds clear, I'm at daily loss limit. I've traded on tilt and I've lost my capital, and I have to make it back the next day. Like I said, this is something that I have to work on, because you can see the days where I'm green, I took profits. Those days where I'm red, those are the days where I will say the profits are not enough. I know it's an ego thing. It's something that I have to work within myself with, but while I'm in a trade, I really want big moves. I don't enjoy scalping. I like catching big moves. I like being a part of big moves. And when I'm not a part of big moves, I feel that it really comes down to my analysis. It feels that, well, if I'm not a part of this move, where did I miss it? Did I miss a double bottom? Did I miss a range breakout? Did I miss something? That's the first question that I ask myself when I miss a big move, because analysis is very important to me. So when I miss something, to me, I feel like I did something wrong, even though I didn't. When I put on a trade, I do my analysis of the chart. I see where price can possibly get to. And when I do that, when I place a trade, sometimes I do become over ambitious. I will look at a previous trading range. I will see price rejecting, and I will still hope that my price gets to my intended target. So that is something that I have to work on. If you want to start your own Propfirm journey, there is a link in the description. And if you use that discount code, you will receive $35 resets and 71% off the ticket price. I believe that's the current promo that they're running. So if you want to start your Propfirm journey and support the channel, use that code in the description. And that's all I have. If you are enjoying these breakdowns and want insight on trading the Nasdaq intraday, subscribe to the channel and join our live stream where me and my trading partner provides intraday analysis in real time. Our current goal is building a community. And if you're tired of missing the best trades on the Nasdaq, then join our live stream, join the community, join the risk managers in the chat, and we appreciate your support as we grow. As we wrap up, remember the risk manager's creed. Trading involves risk and demands careful analysis and capital preservation. And we can do that by practicing sound risk management. Every trade tells a story. Make sure you write that story in your trading journal because our psychology is all over these charts. And as always, my name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. Stay green out there. Peace.